Morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have a new sound. Okay, so our learning objectives for today. Number one, we are going to identify the sound. Then we are going to recognize the sound in words. Number three, we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Number four, we are going to blend sounds to read a word. Okay, my students, now as a warm up, we are going to do this task for you. Okay, here we have some balloons. Okay, my students, you are going to choose number from here and I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, if your answer is correct, I'm going to give you a balloon. Okay, my students? Good. Now let's start. Yes, number three. Okay, what is it? Very good. So here, balloon for you. Yes. Number eight. Hmm. Can you name the sound? E. Very good. Here is a balloon. Now, number four. P. Great. Number 10. Can you read the word? Quickly. Pet. Excellent. Number one. What is it? Ah. Very good. Number six. Can you read the word? Pan. Great. Number five. Sad. Yes, correct. Number seven. It. Excellent. Number six. Pan. Well done. And this balloon is for you. Goodbye. Okay, now let's move to the new sound. Okay, are you ready? Yes? Say, I'm ready, teacher. Okay, my students. Now, look here. Can you name anything here in this picture? Do you know what's this? Cat. Very good. Cat. Okay, now listen to my story. One day, Kamil and Kamal said to their mom, Mommy, the weather today is cloudy. Can we go outside and play with our friends? Their mom said, Okay, Kamil and Kamal, you can go, but stay in the park. Kamil and Kamal were sitting on a mat. Kamil took his crown and put it on his head. He said to his brother, Look, I'm looking like a king. Kamal said, Yeah, you look like a king. Can you cut some bread for us? I'm very hungry. Camel said, It's my pleasure. I'm going to cut some bread for you. Kamal, Kamal said to his brother, I'm gonna to play with my kite. Okay, please take care of my cat. Camel said, look, Kamal, there is a duck in the pond. Okay, so today, my students, we have the sound, huh? Ka, very good. King, cloud, kite, cat, cap, duck, sock, cut. Okay, now listen to these words. Okay, and please listen, look at this picture, listen and repeat. Okay, my students? Just a minute.
Recording 2.16. Look, listen and repeat. King,
King,
cloud,
cloud,
kite,
kite,
cut,
cut,
cat,
cat,
cap,
cap,
duck,
duck,
sock.
sock. Okay, this one, here we have sock. Again, listen and repeat.
Unit 2. Recording 2.16. Look, listen and repeat. King, cloud, kite, cut, cat, cap, duck, sock.
Okay, so this is cat, this is duck, these are socks. Okay, one is sock. Okay, my students. So king, again, cloud, kite, cut, cat, cap, duck, sock, sock. Okay, now it's time to chant. Listen and chant.
Unit 2. Recording 2.17. Listen and chant.
Okay, so here we have k, and here also we have k. Okay, can you notice, my students? Different shape, but with the same sound. K, k. Okay, okay, my students. Now it's your turn. Listen.
Unit 2. Recording 2.18. Now you chant.
Yes, stand up. K, k. King. K, k. cloud, k, k, kite, k, k, cat, k, k, cat, k, k, cat, k, k, duck, k, k, sock. Okay, my students, good. Now look at the action. Look here. Look at this k. What is the action for this one? Look. Cut. Do the action, my students, as if we are cutting. Okay, with our, do like this with your finger. Okay. Now look at this. The action for this one. K. Yes. Now look at this. The action for the last one. Duck. Okay. Do you know now the action for this one? Yes, very good. Excellent. So, k, cut, k, king, k, duck. Okay. Now let's recognize the sound in words. What's this, my students? King. Where is the sound k? Yeah, very good. What about this? What's this? Cloud. Where is the sound k? Very good. Can you do the action for this one? Excellent. What about this? What is it? Kite. Excellent. Where is the sound k? Yeah, very good. What's this? Cut. Huh? This is the sound k. Cat. Yes. Cab. Duck. Sock. So here we have the sound k, 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 k. Now in your book, I want you to do this task. Find and circle k and k. Okay? So here you are going to circle. Circle the sound k like this. Okay? Circle the sound k for cloud, for cut, for cat. Okay? And also the sound k for king, like this one. Okay, my students, you have to circle the sound k here. It's easy, yeah. Okay, now it's time to write the sound k. The first one, which is k for cut, like this, round. Okay, what about the k for king? Down, down, up, yes, like this. Then we go down again and flick. Again, let's write it here. We'll start with the k for cut. Round, like this from line. I don't like this one. I'm going to erase this one. Yes. I'm going to write it again for you. Look. Yeah. From line number 2 to line number 3 here, this place. Okay, round like this one. K. Now let's write the K for king. Down, down, up, here till here. And we are gonna to draw the mouth for the K, like this one, or legs, whatever you want to call them. Okay, now down, flick. K. Okay, again, round. This is for cut. And this is K for king. Down, down, then up till here, till number 2. And then down, flick. Okay, K, K. Now, in your book, you are going to write first K for cut. Then, sorry, you are going to write K for king. From here, start from this one, down, down, then up, go to this dot, then again, go back, then down, flick. Okay, my students, you know how to write it. Again, I will do this for you again. Down, down, then up till the dot, then go back, then down, flick. Okay, K. And then you are going to write them together here. Okay. Now let's blend these sounds. Okay. Ha. K. A. T. Ha. Can you read it? Cat. Very good. This is the picture for it. Now let's see the second one. Ha. K. A. P. Ca. Cap. Very good. Now this picture, this word. Ha. S. A. K. Sa. Sack. Very good. What do we mean by sack? Yeah, this one like a bag. Sack. Okay. Now let's see this one. T. E. K. T. T. Tick. Very good. Tick. Yes. Great. Now, in your book here, we have this task. Listen and trace, copy and say. What can you see here? What is it? Cat. Yeah, what about this one? Cab. Very good. Now let's blend the sound. K, a, t. Cat. Very good. K, a, p. Cab. Now listen, then trace, then copy and say. Okay?
Unit 2, recording 2.18. Unit 2, recording 2.19. Listen and trace. Copy and say. 1. Ka,
K,
a,
a,
ta,
t.
cat.
Cat.
2. Ka,
K,
a,
a,
pa,
p.
cap.
Cap. Okay. Now, what about this one? Let's blend here again. You are going to blend these sounds and you are going to trace and write them here. Okay, my students? Can you do it? Before listening, yes? S, a, k, s, Sack. Very good. What about this one? T, tick. Great, my students. Now listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.20. Listen and follow. Write and say. 1. S, a, k, sack. 2. T, I, k, tick.
Okay, so here we have sack and here we have tick. Okay, tick. Now let's see. Okay, just a minute. Okay, look here, my students. Now here we have this game. You are going to tell me what do you think? What is behind? What is the sound behind this one? Okay, let's see here. This one, number 2. What do you think? What is the sound behind it? Ah, let's see. Is it correct? No. What's this? Very good. What about this one? What do you think? What is behind it? E. Let's see. No, it's P. P. Yeah. What about this one? Hmm. Let's check. No. What is it? K. Very good. Hmm. S. What about this one? What do you think? What is behind it? Hmm. Let's check. No. What is it? K. What about this? What do you think? Ah, let's see. Yeah, great. It's ah. What about this one? E? Let's check. No. What is it? T. Okay, great, my students. That's all for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.